While we've seen a very isolated thunderstorm activity here across the first coast the last few days, South Florida has just seen a ton of rain, 10 to nearly 20 inches locally in some spots due to this just kind of plume of tropical moisture, almost an atmospheric river coming across the southern part of the Floridian Peninsula here. But that will slowly be coming to an end over the next few hours. And Invest 90L, which slowly just kind of crept its way across Florida, is now moving off to our northeast, so it's well off the coast and still a very low chance of any sort of development there. But we are already watching another area down in the Bay of Campeche, likely over the next 5 to 7 days, has about a 40% chance of development. So a much likelier possibility of seeing some sort of tropical activity from that as we head into early next week. And it's an area that will be ripe for it. It has great favorable conditions for some of that tropical development. Sea surface temperatures mid to upper 80s, so very, very warm, ample, warm ocean temperatures and ocean heat content. You combine that with really low wind shear down there as well, especially as you head into next Monday and next Tuesday. So high wind shear over us, which is good news, but not so much as you head down towards the Yucatan and Mexico, which will likely lead to some form of tropical activity as you head into next week. Now, closer to us and even further north than us, if maybe you're traveling over the next couple of days, you're headed up to the northeast, pretty much from the Carolinas, Virginia, all the way up through New York and even up towards Maine. Huge bubble and ridge of high pressure building, which could bring record-breaking June temperatures for those folks. Mid to even the upper 90s, again, for many folks across the northeast. But further south, we could see, again, potentially maybe a tropical storm down there in the Bay of Campeche by early next week, but likely not really bringing all that much rainfall here to the first coast, which we definitely need it. Drought already starting to creep in across many of our northeast Florida counties. We've already below average for not only the month of June, but now for the year. 0.8 of an inch below average. And unfortunately, not going to be seeing any here over the next couple of days. Good news though, if you're heading out to the beach tomorrow, beautiful day out there. Temperature's going to be in the upper 80s. Will be a moderate threat for rip current. So keep that in mind if you and the kiddos are getting in the water tomorrow. But otherwise, should be another pretty nice day. Warm and muggy for most of us. Inland temperature is going to be in the low 90s. 1 or 2 passing showers might be possible by the late afternoon and early evening, but really going to be pretty hit or miss for most folks. And that's how it's going to be through the weekend as well. Hottest day over the next week is going to be on Saturday. Temperatures are going to be in the mid 90s. Real feels, unfortunately, in the triple digits. And we're still staying pretty warm for dads there on Father's Day for Sunday as well. Still a little bit breezy, which is some good news, but temperatures are going to be in the low 90s. And we're staying breezy through most of next week with better rain chances then by Juneteenth next Wednesday and on Thursday.